Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabula ads or other like that software from your Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So at the start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site or something like that in the notification bar, that means we have a notification software and we can try to remove it with by two ways, by the system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you now the first method. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps and choose manage apps. Now in the first step, check this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before, the app that you do not recognize the name of it, just something strange, if you see something like that, just tap on it and click on install. Click OK, and that's it. In the second step, go back to the apps and look for your web browser. Now choose the storage and tap on the clear data. Now choose manage space and tap on the clear all data. Now tap on the OK, and your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app from the Google Play Store. I'm always using Avast, but you can download any other antivirus app. Okay, so in the Avast we have to click next and skip. Now close to ads and choose continuous free. Then tap on the start scan and allow permissions. Just switch on and go back. Now choose the scan type. For that, I'm always using the deep scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, malwares, viruses should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.